you get banned off of Roblox. I don't know how to drive a car. I'm in a car. Wow, now I have a new space. Oh, I get it. So you've got to build each. Holly, I'm just trying to figure out this again. You build up the cat's level. What is this? I tried driving in Roblox. This one. Brookhaven's better. Actually, this game's better. How? You like it?
Where? Claim 3 million free coins!
Japanese bobtail. Oh, what's the surprise box? Another Japanese bobtail. Now a new space available because I'm level 4. I have a bunch of money. So much money. No, ye.